Careful. Good job, you fixed it.
It's done. It's done. It's done on the table.
Choo choo. Oh no! Oh my goodness! That was chaos! What are you going to do now?
Mummy.
Oh, Mummy will fix it.
The foothills of the North Yorkshire Moors. We get our Yorkshire puds from our friends.
Yorkshire pudding beer.
Yorkshire pudding co. in Doncaster. Each 500ml bottle of beer contains approximately half of a Yorkshire pudding.
What?
The beer is soft and smooth with a hint of creaminess in the back end of the beer. And hints of roast dinner.
It's falling out. No contrast.
Right.
Why are you trying to look at it? Why are you trying to know? What's this now? I don't know.
Right.
So easy. You've clearly never been rollerblading or ice skating. It's better than Titan. How's that? I've not double knotted it. Come on. Yeah, we're double knotted then. Yeah. Come on, my little sock.
Sam, just be nice. Take her for her. Good boy. It's not hard to be kind. I know, but so does Eloise. She needs to get herself organised. Yeah, it's an abbey. Look at us. Look at us taking up this whole car park. Nana's ready to rock and roll. Wish I'd brought a hat.
Oh, Gabby! How did you not bring your hat?
That's okay.
I can't give you mine because...
I'm alright, really. Coco, it's Bella! What are you doing up there? Oh, is that a bench? Did you find a bench? Horizon Zero Dawn? It doesn't look like you did. Well, just don't fall down. Good luck. Have fun. Just please don't fall, because if you fall and break a leg, then that's the end of our trip.
I'll do it on the day we leave.
Okay.
actually grass. I've won this in year 4, guys, and I've just found it.
Where are we?
I don't know anymore. I
Whit-
lost track a while ago.
Whitby Abbey. Well done, Spencer. Are you about to poop? Yeah.
That picture on the beach.
Oh, you were all holding hands though, weren't you? Oh no, you weren't.
I was like this.
Nice.
This is English heritage.
He never stopped talking. He didn't actually really. He'd already told me all about how to get down to the seafront and things, as if I wouldn't be planning on thinking. No, it was like, oh. In the end, I thought I'd just sign up.
There's a stairwell without that.
Coco, come here, come here.
Bella, stay.
Why do your faces look so miserable?
Stay.
I'm thirsty. I like
Stay.
Then why didn't you bring water?
Mum said there wasn't any room and I wasn't just going to carry it on.
Why didn't you bring a bag?
I don't have a bag.
Stay.
Text her to bring a water.
Great. Look, and I didn't have a bag.
Right.
She loves you. Yeah.
We are done.
It's a good job we came here first then. Yeah, not yet. It says museum shop and exit. We don't want to go into the exit. There's a actual museum over there. I think it's a building.
Wow.
Might have heating.
What joke? What? That wasn't a joke. Does it have a cafe?
Need a hot drink.
I do need a hot drink. That's not a joke. You know what a hot drink is.
Yeah. That's not the point.
Nana! She's dancing for the camera. She likes it for the camera. Hickey liked it.
Bella, stop it.
He wagged his tail.
Wait. Stay. Go.
My baby. She's doing very good. Fossils again. We found more fossils. Jacob's snapping.
The ship carrying has sunk on quiet night. Some of that in the bells.
Whitby. Nicky, are we in Whitby?
Whitby baby.
I think so.
Excuse me, children.
Oh no. Oh dear. It's like they're on one of those joint leads.
That's so cool.
Light your nostril off.
Mummy tunnel.
Mummy tunnel. But it's
Or
a bit
Jacob
windy in
tunnel.
Blackpool, that's the only trouble.
Jacob, say Whitby Abbey.
Whitby Gabby.
Mummy tunnel. Mummy tunnel.
We've just
about
been in Mountain
how
Light
about
House.
Mummy tunnel.
No, put the train in the
Mummy
tunnel.
tunnel.
It's a hat tunnel. The hot tubby. District line train. In
No,
your hat.
mummy tunnel.
Yeah. Where's it gone? Where is it? Bye bye train. Where's it gone? Where is it?
Oh, this mate was a nice one.
There it is. We found it. Where's it gone? Twist, 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 twist. Where is it?
He's quizzing.
1 second.
We found it.
Look at this guy. He lived from 1853 to 1941.
Wow. That's crazy. Hello. What did you get? Did she? Oh, nice.
Could you want to walk? Cupboard. Okay. The white cupboard. Put a bath that runs down from there. Get a nice bath.
Did they both get those thin gloves? Are they good enough?
Stretch out actually.
Yeah?
Quite nice with the touchscreen ones.
Are they?
Without moving anything else. Just
They're alright those, aren't they, Sam? They're actually, when I put my fingers in, I was like, oh, these feel like fleecy.
Yeah,
So I thought
that's good.
better than that.
Nice. Very good, very good. Right. Coco got scared on the grid.
What's that?
Let's see if Hickey will do it. Go over this, Hick. I wish I'd videoed that part. She got so scared. Ooh.
Okay. Oh, baby dog.
Okay. Hello.
Oh, that's a big steep slope. Did not realise.
It's pretty steep. Sam, careful, there's a car there. Hi. I know, we were just up there. It's very nice here. Pigeon friends. Oh, Nicky, you scared them.
Hi, I am Sam and I eat ham.
Oh, that was such a nice reaction for Bella.
She actually walked really nicely flying.
Everyone look at Juju.
Oh,
Look at Juju.
hold on. Yeah, but we want to see your face. I'm gonna look at your face. Right, here we go. Screenshot. These are the pictures. I love you. Oh, look at these rocks. What, a sword? In Minecraft? Oh, the wooden one, yeah. He's got a wooden sword. What's he doing with a wooden sword? He's not going to be able to kill any creepers with that. Oh my, I'm a creeper.
Wait, that, no.
Oh my god, Daniel.
Anybody else know what they want?
Yeah, I think we're pretty much getting there.
Yeah, we're all good. Yeah, smile. Come on, get next to Jacob. Oh no, don't have to, you can stay there if you want. Come on, that's lovely. Oh, yes, we'll remember this forever and ever and ever. I've already forgotten it.
Jacob, give mummy a kiss.
Have a kiss.
Give mummy a kiss.
Jacob, can I have a kiss?
Give mummy a kiss.
Hi, Hercules.
Jacob, go on, wink. Can you wink?
Jacob. Chips, yeah.
You do
Can
it.
you do Winker Cat? Can you do Winker Cat?
You've seen the clown.
Can you do Winky Cat?
You do it.
And they're coming in a minute.
Yeah, you do it. Jacob, you do Winky Cat. Jacob, watch me. Jacob, go. You do it.
That was pretty close. Yeah, they call it a swing.
He just wants chips. Chip, chip, chip.
Oh, he eats that many chips. Yeah, they're good, aren't they, chips? Tasty.
I think he eats only chips.
Apparently. In his dreams. It's not ready yet.
I remember that name.
All the dogs are passed out. You can't see Bella, but she is there, and she is also passed out.
Eloise stole it. Hi, Chief. Oh, that's my dog.
Jacob, you okay?
Spencer, Eloise stole it. Eloise. No, what am I meant to do? Put on the tie swing. No, because I can't do that. I was on it originally, so. Yeah, and then you got off. Yeah, and say hi to Jacob because he's not crying. You know, I don't think Jacob likes me. Oh my God! Eloise, don't touch the leaf. Eloise, watch it. What's that? What? It's my dog, yeah. Let me see the dead bird.
Another one.
Yeah, Bella tried to kill it. Oh, Bella tried to eat it.
Ready? It looks like it's just dropped dead.
That's really sad.
There's nothing wrong with it. It's just on the floor.
I guess all birds die at some point. Maybe it just had old age. Hickey, don't touch it. Leave it.
Not into you. Ah! Space, that's mud! Ow! I hurt my ankle, guys. Ow! We're ready from London. Let the get
Hello.
Bella, she's just sniffing.
I told you just to keep her in.
Oh, she was out when you were picking up the bird.
I just said to Harriet, I was like, can you keep her in, please?
She was there when you were getting the bird.
What? No, no. You wanted to get off anyway. I literally stood there. What? Well, you would have given it off the Why? Oh, you are making this hard. I like big boys. I like pretty boys. I like big girls with the gold hair. I like big boys. I like little girls. I'm not on the background. Stop! When you drink.
Take it back.
Hi, camera.
Oh, Gabby, hello. Caught me boozing.
You're about to enter a new decade of your life.
Are you sure about that? I think I'm just going to be 69.
What's it like
Forever.
feeling 69? And then we'll do the same interview tomorrow when you're 70.
It's not as good as 70, 69, because you're just worrying about being 70. So 70 will be actually nice because I'll be thinking, God, I've got 10 years till 80. That's fantastic. I'm so young.
It'll be great.
It's fine. I'm not sad.
No, how can you be sad when we're here?
I know, I'm really happy. It's so lovely. What could be nicer? What could be nicer? What a great place this is. I have nothing really to say. Come back here, Okay. Yeah, make it 75th because 80th sounds a bit, you know, optimistic. I don't want to be over optimistic, no, but you know what I mean.
Oh my god.
No, but you know, I might not be physically fit enough to be leaping up and down the sides of mountains.
You're going to be physically fit enough.
You think?
Yes.
I might be that poor lady that was being helped up the stairs at that place we were in Scarborough by her elderly daughter. Not that any of you are going to be my elderly daughter.
Yeah, Julie is such an elderly daughter. Is that Jacob?
Jacob!
It's Jacob! Ah, it's Jacob! Tell me you love me. Say I love